Hey everybody, YouTube, Ian here with Redline. Got a new product that we wanted to share with you guys. This is our new auto body universal dolly. It's very adjustable in terms of the length and the width, has a lot of capacity and a lot of cool features. So come on in and I'll show you what I'm talking about. First of which are our mounting feet. These mounting feet, you can use them if you want to, don't if you don't. All you've got to do is unscrew that little set screw right there, pull them off, and then you've basically just got a square post sticking right up so that you can make or weld in your own custom adapters. Great big thick steel construction. Show you what I mean. 1/4 inch thick steel construction. You've got 8 mounting holes on here, 4 there, and then of course on all 4 sides of it. I do want to make sure that I'm straight up forward with this and that this is a very universal mount. Obviously, it's not intended necessarily to be specifically a unibody mount or a leaf spring mount, anything like that. So while it is a typical cradle perch style mount where you can just set anything you want right there, it is intended for you to make your own bracketry if you're deciding to try and bolt your body to the foot. Next are the heavy duty casters. We equip this unit with a way larger, beefier than necessary caster, which I personally always like to see. You do have a wheel lock on these units, and you can see what I mean there. Just a great big, thick, huge caster. Another thing that makes this body cart different from a lot of the other ones you're going to find on the market is you'll notice it all comes in a bunch of small pieces. That's great when you're done with it. You unbolt everything like I've done here, put it away on the shelf. Not just that, it can also ship in a FedEx box, actually a couple of boxes. That way you're not going to try and ship this thing on a freight truck pallet where it's got to go to a business with a forklift and all of that stuff. Just a nice and easy shipment straight to your door. So without further ado, let's put it together. And that's it. Since I did say the unit was adjustable, I'll show you what I mean. If you need it to be a little bit wider, loosen these things up, slide it out a little bit, whatever width you need, tighten it back up. The same can be said for the length. That's it. Okay, so we've lowered our Z28 body onto the dolly, and just as you would expect, as you ought to be, you can now move the car with just one person. Move it around the shop wherever you need to. This is our new Redline Engineering Universal Auto Body Dolly. We want to say a big thanks to the folks at Craft Hot Rods and Body Shop here in Coldwater, Mississippi for loaning us this body here. And you can get this thing at our website, redlinestens.com. Give us a shout at 901-351-4764 to order. And as always, click the subscribe button down at the bottom. Follow us on YouTube. We hope you enjoyed it. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our video.